So you're waiting for the all-new 2026 Tesla Model X. Well, I have some news for you, and it's probably not what you're expecting. Everyone's been hearing the rumors about a big redesign called Project Jupiter, but the truth is, that's not what's happening for the 2026 model. Tesla is actually doing something much smarter. The real story isn't about a new look, but about key upgrades that change everything. See, the current Model X is amazing, but it's not perfect. Parking can be a little tricky without the old sensors. There's a major blind spot right at the front of the car. And for Tesla to reach the next level of self-driving, the computer inside needs more power. So how does Tesla fix these issues without starting from scratch? This is where the 2026 model gets really interesting. First up, it's expected to get a new front bumper camera. They already added this to the Cybertruck, and it's a huge deal. This camera finally gets rid of that last big blind spot right in front of you. It makes parking way more accurate and gives the autopilot system more data to work with. This is a small change that makes a big difference in daily driving. The second and even bigger change is under the hood. The 2026 Model X is expected to be the first to get Tesla's new Hardware 5 autopilot computer. Think of this as a massive brain transplant for the car. Hardware 4 was a big step, but HW5 is on another level. It's built to process way more information from the cameras. This new computer is what will unlock the next steps for full self-driving. Tesla is basically building the foundation for the future of autonomous cars. So what's not changing? Well, the insane performance is staying right where it is. The standard dual-motor model still has around 670 horsepower and hits 60 in 3.8 seconds. And then there's the Plaid with its 3 motors and over 1,000 horsepower. It still does 0 to 60 in a crazy 2.5 seconds. The range for both models will stay around 330 miles. The inside of the car is also staying the same. You still get that futuristic minimal cabin that was introduced in 2021. The yoke steering wheel is standard, but you can get a normal round wheel for free if you want. All your controls for things like turn signals and wipers are just buttons on the wheel. The cabin is still built around those 3 big screens. You have the massive 17-inch screen in the middle that can tilt towards the driver or passenger. Then there's the driver display behind the wheel and a screen for the back passengers. The gaming system is still PC level, powered by an AMD chip so you can play Steam games right in your car. You still get the super comfortable ventilated seats, the 22-speaker sound system, and the bioweapon defense mode air filter. And on the outside, the look is identical. It has that same iconic design with the huge panoramic windshield and those signature Falcon Wing doors. The design is already so good at cutting through the air, there's no reason to change it yet. So you see, a new camera and a new computer might not sound as exciting as a totally new design, but this is the key moment for the Model X. These 2 upgrades are the real story here. This isn't just about making the 2026 car a little better. This is about building the car that can actually use the advanced full self-driving software we've all been waiting for. They're putting the most important pieces in place for what comes next. So to sum it all up, the 2026 Tesla Model X is not getting a new look. Instead, it's getting a new set of eyes with the front camera and a powerful new brain with Hardware 5. The performance is still at the top of its class, and the interior is still like something from the future. It's a serious refinement, not a complete revolution, but Tesla is focusing on the changes that really matter for the road ahead.